We're at the World Baseball Classic in Miami. Yeah, Phil. Watching Puerto Rico versus Israel today. I got my 3 favorite players on Puerto Rico. Baez, Lindor, Stroman, my boy. Yo, who you got? Who you got winning?
Puerto Rico.
FYI, none of us are, we're not Puerto Rican. But just because we repping our boy Stro. You already know the vibes. We gotta go get that jersey right now. Yo, what up, Legend family? We're out here in Miami and we're at No Limit. Look at this is crazy with all the murals and all the stuff. You got the rolls up in here and you got the No Limit G-Wagon. Let's get it. Oh, wait a minute. Get the new kicks, dog. The boy got a pair of Blazers. I finally joined the hype. So let's get into it. Let's have a good workout. What's going on, Legend family? It's your boy DK. We're here at Anatomy Gym in Doral, Florida, and I'm here with
Nush. It's going to be my pleasure showing you guys around. If you have any questions, let me know.
Sounds good. Let's go into the tour.
Spinning studio. We have an awesome spinning studio.
Wow.
Yes, we're super proud of it. Yes, the layout. It's a whole other experience. They dim the lights completely with the LED surround sound system. And we offer cold eucalyptus towels, so it's a treat after you're finished.
Absolutely.
Cool. And everything comes with your membership. So when you come and relocate here, we'll have you you have full access to everything.
Okay, wicked.
We also have Vita Squad. They are in-house, and you also can have them come to your house. We offer B12 shots, any IVs, and with your membership, all of our members, they get a B12 shot complimentary with a membership. The next best part is going to be the locker room. I'm not going to follow you in there, but you're more than welcome to check it out. It's fully equipped. And next month, we're going to have 2 cold plunge. So super good for the recovery of your muscles, skin, staying younger.
Oh, yeah. No, trust me. It's all about, for us as athletes, me and my brother, we're always locked in with our recovery. And
Exactly.
stuff, like, coming here just for a stretch, everyone's like, oh, this is a bear gun now. For us,
Yeah.
it's different.
Exactly. Definitely. So this is our open floor plan. Everything on this side is going to be from upper body all the way down to lower body.
Nice.
We have some new equipment all the way at the end, like the booty builder, hip thrust machine.
Nice.
Yes. And it comes fully equipped, belts, chains, elastic bands, free weight area. We have the kettlebells all the way at the end, dumbbells, barbells. The cardio deck holds about 40 equipments. We have the skiers, different types of bikes like the Peloton, assault bikes, and rowers, stairmasters, 3 different types of treadmills.
Yeah, these are all of these. I like,
Yes.
especially the concept too, like
Yes.
bikers, skiers, they're phenomenal stuff.
Yeah. Now behind the cardio deck, you will notice that we have a mural. It holds a lot of equipments like the foam rollers, ab rollers, cinder blocks.
Yeah.
Exactly. Medicine balls, battle ropes. Now, one of our newer toys is the tank. So some people have been getting really creative. They grab the battle ropes, put it around, and pull it. Recovery. Normatec boots. You already know.
Oh, I missed these.
We recommend 15 to 30 minutes. Really helps with the recovery
This
time.
is like anytime to use.
Anytime. You don't have to book an appointment. I'm going to take you to the studio, group fitness studio, fully equipped as well. If we don't have a class, you're more than welcome to come and use this space. So it's kind of like an extension to the gym. But we have classes like athletic conditioning, yoga, which is one of my favorites. We also have boot camp classes that happen downstairs and sometimes outside.
Yeah, you guys have phenomenal stuff.
Yes.
Some of the best at what they do.
And the booty builder targets the full glute. So some of the specialty bars right here. And we also have the bamboo bar. I don't know if
I've actually never seen that before.
You know what they do with it? You take the elastic bands and you put it around and you put kettlebells. Some people bench press with that and they even do like squats.
Wow.
Did you see the mag grip?
Yeah, the Rogue one. Yeah,
yep.
That's one of my favorites.
There you go. You got the in-body scanner. You can do it anytime you come here.
You guys have like the vintage belt squat, I see there.
Yes. Yeah, fully equipped. And like I said, what's really big about us is the attention to detail and making sure that it's an exclusive experience. We just got our hats and yes.
And then I've been to a lot of gyms where it's like, you know, you can have all like the nice stuff, you can have like the best equipment.
Yeah,
but, again,
but it's the people.
If you don't have the culture, if you don't have the people, if you don't have the vibes.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. No,
it's nothing like the vibes.
I agree.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's gonna cap off our tour. Thank you to Nush for taking us around.
Thank you for being here.
And yeah, we'll get back into it with a big workout coming in today.
Bye.